I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, oh my gosh, I feel like I have been gone forever, but I was out of commission. I had a cut on my hand and it was freaking, it had stitches and I couldn't do anything basically. Like I couldn't even do my hair, y'all. So you would want to make noise when I start recording. So this is me and Jasper's new room. This is like my office over here. He's over here. Yeah, so we got a little studio going on in here. So today I'm doing a video featuring this 360 deep curly unit from LWigs, and this is the packaging it came in. So really pretty packaging. It just was a simple, basically slide it out, take the wig out, and that's it. They also sent some discount coupons. So yeah, well, it's really just one coupon. You like, I think, write a review and then you get some points or something like that. So I really do like this unit. It was wearable right out of the package. The only thing I did do was lay a little bit of baby hairs, and I did pull some hairs out just with my hand, but it was pre-plucked as a part, but it was like really, really thin. So yeah, that's the only thing I did do, and then I brushed it. So it was definitely beginner friendly. This is some really pretty hair. I have really not too much to say about it, but I'm just gonna give you guys basically all the specs and all that good stuff. So let me do a 360. Hopefully y'all were able to see that. I don't know why, but I love wearing my hair like partially to the front and then to the back on the other side. So this is the Brazilian, like I said, deep curly unit. I think they sent 150 density, but I did ask for 180 density. It's 22 inches long. It comes to about the middle of my stomach, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty long. It's longer than what I thought it would be, and it's really soft. It wasn't like tangled or anything like that. Like I really didn't have any issues with this hair. I reviewed LWigs before and it was decent. You know, I believe it was a straight unit. I don't really remember too much about it, and I don't want to say if it's not memorable then it wasn't good, because I don't think it was bad, because I usually remember the bad stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep you all for too long because like I said, it's just a wig review. What I would do to upkeep this hair is basically I did a curly hair routine video. I expected this hair to be a little bit more curly. It looks like a natural wave, but it's supposed to be a deep curly. But other than that, like, it's some good hair. Like I said, I had no shedding or tangling or anything like that, and my fingers really run right through it. And the more I do this, the bigger it's gonna get. At first, when I put it on and took it out, it was really thin, and I was like, I hope when I brush this out it gets bigger, it gets more voluminous, because honey, I can't walk around with no thin hair. So I'm gonna be probably wearing this for 2 days and then switch it up, because I got so many hair reviews to do. So I'm going to be switching it up a lot. A lot of wigs are going to be on my site, including this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And like I said, I didn't even get into it, but what I would do to upkeep this hair, basically, you know, some people do believe in washing their hair every, what? Is there an echo in here? I feel like it's airy in here. So a lot people do believe in washing their hair like every week and stuff like that. But for units, because I put them on and take them off, I don't think that's necessary. It's more necessary when your unit gets tangled because you sleep in it and stuff like that. Some people get their unit installed. This is basically a glueless install, and I really didn't do much. I just really set it on my head, and my hair is actually in about 12 to 15 twists underneath, and it still sits pretty flat. No bumps. But yeah, I wouldn't wash this every week. I would probably wash it bi-weekly, and then with curly hair and stuff like that, I don't really use shampoo on it. I think shampoo is more so for real hair, or if you put a lot of product in your hair, but I don't really put too much product, so that's another reason. So I probably shampoo it maybe once a month, but condition or co-wash it every 2 weeks. So like I was saying, I feel like shampoo is for build up, you know, not so much for tracks and wefts and stuff like that, unless you are using a lot of product to cause buildup. I did want to flexi rod this unit, so if I do that, then of course you would need shampoo, because flexi rodding takes a styling cream or water. Well, water isn't bad, but water, styling cream, gel, or whatever you put for your mousse, you know, for your flexi rods. So yeah, that would cause buildup and stuff like that. So that's it. Like I said, I will wash it maybe bi-weekly, co-wash it, and then monthly with shampoo. And then woo, I haven't talked in so long, y'all. But yeah, as far as like keeping a curl and stuff like that, maybe for, I would say, bi-weekly or weekly maintenance, spray it with some water. Well, every day you might want to spray it with water, but spray it with some water and add some Hawaiian Silky and just finger comb it to keep the luxuriousness of it, to keep the curl pattern, and to bring back some more curls, maybe depending on the hair. So yeah, I do have a video on that, and I will link it below, how I maintain curly hair. And it's really simple. Just spray with water, use some Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1, and yeah, finger comb it or use a Denman brush. So that's pretty much it. I'll pull it all to the front for you guys. If there's any coupon codes or anything like that, I will leave them in the description. Of course, I will leave the link to the actual wig. And like I said, it is 360, so it was laced all the way around, and it was pre-plucked the hairline and stuff like that. So like I said, I really didn't have to do much. So this is the hair all pulled to the front. And let me back up so you can get a whiff of it. So yeah, it looks like that. And like I said, when I pull it all the way down, it goes past my boobs into my stomach. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Like I said, this is some really, really pretty hair. I would recommend you buy it. I feel like it wasn't that expensive, but I would definitely double check and, you know, leave that stuff on the screen. So again, thank you guys for joining. If I didn't mention, it is Brazilian hair. So that is it.